I'm going to show you how to change colors using the invisible join method. If you haven't watched my previous video on how to do an invisible join, I will link it in the description box below. This is done a little differently because we're changing colors. So in that last stitch of your round, you'll want to pull up on that loop. Now if we were doing a regular round, not changing colors, we would go under both top loops of that first stitch of the round. But to add the new color, we need to go in between those two top loops of that first stitch, inserting your hook front to back, put the new color on your hook, and we're going to pull that through. So it comes up right between those two top loops of that first stitch. Now we can continue with our next round by doing a standing single crochet in that first stitch. You're going to insert your hook under both top loops of that first stitch. It does get a little tight because we're doing the single crochet of the next round in the same stitch as our join. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through both loops. I'm going to go ahead and stitch my way around, and I'll meet back up with you at the end of the round. I'm working my last stitch of the round. If I keep this color, I would do a regular invisible join. I'm going to do 2 rows of the red. You pull that working yarn to the back of your work, the wrong side, toward you. You can see that loop that we have for the first color. We're going to insert our hook into that first stitch of the round, going from wrong side to right side under both loops. We're going to put that loop on our hook and pull it through towards us to the wrong side. Turn the work over. Insert your hook back into the loop, and now to tighten up that join, you're going to pull up on the loop and pull the working yarn tight. Now because we have that first color still hanging out there, because we want to use it again in another round, you can see a little bit of that join peeking through. All you have to do is pull that loop of the first color, pull that working yarn, and tighten it up. As you continue with the round, that really won't be a problem, but you can always pull up on that loop and working yarn and tighten it up if you need to. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.